Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new Goodwill Hunting video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day, morning, night, whenever you guys are watching this. But right now, I am in Santa Ana, the city of Santa Ana in Southern California, and I am sitting in front of the Goodwill Marketplace. And this is one of the coolest Goodwills I've ever been to because it's not just one Goodwill store, it's actually 3 separate stores, but all in one like large facility. There's the Goodwill Marketplace, which they actually hold like live auctions for like giant like bins full of stuff. They also bring out clothes in like rolling bins, and you buy clothing and items by the pound. Then there's the regular Goodwill, which is just like the regular store, and then there is also the tech store, which is really cool also. So right now I think I'm gonna head into the tech store first and then go to the regular store. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, and you love vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my, I can't even talk anymore, from my thrifting adventures. I think my lips are really chapped. Yeah, anyway, let's head into the store. I'm gonna put on some chapstick. Alright guys, so here's the regular store right here. The marketplace is around the corner and the tech center is around here. Alright guys, here's the tech center. Well, look at this. It comes with all of this. Alright guys, just left that store. They didn't really have anything, so I'm gonna head into the regular store, which is right there, but the entrance is around the corner. So let's go inside. Oh, a button sewing machine. So much stuff. Let's go through the handbags and see if we can find anything. There's a lot of people here today. It's actually a lot later in the afternoon, so see if there's anything left for us late treasure hunters. There's Claiborne. I think this is a Coach bag. Oh, this is a Coach bag. Let's see. Yeah, oh, it's $25 though. Ooh, but there is this Brandy Melville one size fits all. This wouldn't fit me, but it's $7.99. Has skulls. It's kind of cool. I just found this hobo wallet. Really nice. I like that, like embossing. Oh my gosh, this pumpkin. It's huge. Also, I found these coasters. I don't know why I'm always buying coasters. I feel like I always need them. I might get these, but look at this giant pumpkin. He's $20 though. Hey guys, I managed to find a cart, and along the way, check it out. I've always wanted one of these. They used to sell them like at the Discovery store. At the mall when I was little, and I always wanted one, and now I finally got one. It's only $4.99. I'm very excited. Got my pumpkin. It is a little expensive, but there's $30. This is new from Target. There's $30 at Target. Here it's $10 off. So I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Stop! This is like a Harry Potter little beanbag thing. I might get this. It's $14.99. But it's so cute. See what else we have here. Oh my gosh. First of all, I love animals. This is so cool. Love Cynthia. Oh, someone made this. How cute. Alright, I'm looking at the vases, seeing if there's anything cool. This Lego thing is cool, but that's $17.99. Oh, look at her. The thing that's in there is broken. This has little feet. Oh my gosh, it's $30. Cats and dogs from Linens and Things originally. Look at this. I'm right next to the tech center. Oh, stop it, Williams Sonoma. Wait a minute. Do I have this? Is this the set that I bought? Oh my gosh, time out. I think I have 2. Oh my gosh, I don't even remember which ones, but I should just get them both. I think this is the missing one that I don't have. So now I'm like over here looking for the third one that I can just complete the set. I don't even remember which ones I got last time, but I think it's that set. And I think the T one is the one that I am missing, but who knows. Oh, I wish this little Frankenstein guy's ear wasn't broken. He'd be really cute. This wreath is really pretty. How much are you, Smith & Hawking? 25. Man. Let's see what else we can find. Gosh, I got one of these like earlier this year for Eliza, and he loves this little toy. It's so cute. Alright, you guys, I am in the mug section. Now I'm on a mission to find some cool mugs. Let's see if we can find anything. These are actually really cute. They're Studio Nova. How cute is this? Best mom ever, $2.99. Also, blue is the color of the day, or of the week. So, 50% off to any blue tag items. But I haven't found anything blue tag, I think? I'm actually not sure. I don't think I've been really paying attention. I just remembered right now, actually, to tell you guys. So maybe now I should start paying attention. Hey, what's the big scare? How cute! Oh my gosh, you guys, I just found a set of 4 lettuce plates, and I actually believe that I have one of these already. So now I have 5. And look at these! Oh, I have no clue what brand they are, but these are really cute. I think they make like a very similar thing for Anthropologie, and those are really nice. But now I'm like on the hunt for more like lettuce things. There has to be like a lettuce bowl somewhere, right? Ooh, look at this star platter. You guys, I'm like on the hunt right now. Oh, how pretty are these? Wow. Oh, that one's chipped. I hate when they put them in sets and then like one of them's chipped. Like, can I just not buy that one piece? Or do I have to buy all of them, even with the broken one? Ooh, this color is so vibrant. Oh my gosh, is that a lobster? It is. His little things are missing though. Oh my gosh, the T-Rex cookie jar. How much is he? I know he's from Target, and he looks new, and there's like a million things that are gonna fall down if I get him. Okay, I think he's good. Woo. Why don't you not? Oh, there he is. $10. Oh, but he's gonna be $5. It's kind of cute. Oh, there's also this cat thing. I'm looking at like the Halloween decor. I don't know why I thought the color was blue, but it's purple. I'm sad and forlorn. Magic. Okay, there we go. Look how cute this thing is. I think this is from Target. Like, did I see it earlier today? It's really nice, but I think it's broken and it's 20 bucks. Originally 35. I think it's missing like something. Okay, anyway, let's look around. This lamp is amazing. Alright, you guys, let's go home and I'll show you guys what I got. Hey guys, okay, so I just got home and I'm super excited to share with you guys what I ended up getting, and I can't believe I'm actually filming this when I got home on the same day. This is very rare. Usually I film it like the day after, a few days later. But without further ado, let's get into the haul because I got some pretty cool stuff. So the first thing I want to show you guys is that I did end up getting the jars from Williams Sonoma, and you're gonna like, okay, can you believe, okay, the sticker is still on here. This tiny little jar for tea was $100. Right next to my $3.99 sticker. Like, that is amazing. Oh, so awesome. Yeah, okay, so yeah, so this was very, very exciting. I'm gonna clean this up. No, okay, so I got 2 other jars too, and I think they're the same ones, but I think these come in a set of 3, and I think this tea one is the one that's missing, because I think it's flour, sugar, and then tea. And I think this one's I'm gonna have to look for them, because I put them in storage, but this one's the sugar one, right? The sticker for this one has come off though for the price, but it was probably a little bit more than $100 because that's usually how these things go. The ones that are a little bit bigger are a little bit pricier. This was probably like $110, $115. $4.99. So this is bananas. It's crazy. I'm really excited because I love when I find things that go together at different, like during different times and in different places. Like this I got all the way in like this was from Santa Ana. The other two that I got, where did I get them? I think I got them, I don't even remember. I just know it wasn't in that store. But yeah, so exciting, right? And I got them like a month and a half ago, so really excited. I got these two guys. I'm hoping that they're not the same ones that I got last time. So that way I can have like one complete set and then I'll just have like an extra one, which is totally fine. And I hope the extra one's like flour or something, because you can never have too much flour. Okay, so those are those first two pieces that I got. Then, okay, are you guys ready? I cannot believe that I got these. I got a set of 4 of these leaf plates, or lettuce plates. And what's crazy is I actually think that I think I have one of these already. So that might make a set of 5, which I'm gonna go crazy for. Actually, I'm gonna go look right now and see if I actually have the other one and see if it matches. But this is only $4.99. So that is an amazing price. Okay, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, this is completely bananas. I did have the same exact one. So there it is. Even the stamps, like they're the same like stamping on the back. Obviously they're probably made at different times. These are I think they're all handmade in Portugal or something. So like the color is a little bit different, and they're all gonna be like a little different, but they're like the same. So I am so excited. Now I have a set of 5. I'm so excited. Again, like I love finding things. Like again, when I'm looking for a set, I think that's so awesome. So now if I could only find 3 more, I'll have a set of 8, so I can do a whole seating thing at the dining table. That would be perfect. But 5 is nothing to scoff at. That is very exciting. So I cannot wait. I'm gonna like wash these right now after I film this, so I can get that like all situated. So I got those, and then I got 2 more things. I got this beautiful hobo wallet. You guys know I love hobo wallets. These are so nice. This one is one of the embossed ones, which are one of my favorites, and it's in a beautiful like design. Is it showing up? With silver hardware. And these wallets are just so great. This is only $3.99. They hold everything that you need. They're so awesome. You can use them as a wallet, as a clutch. There's a zipper pocket right here, which is nuts. So like you can stick so much stuff in here, which is amazing. And then you have card slots, ID, and then these open up. You have more card slots, you have more bill slots, and then this one opens up as well. And then you have another zipper pocket, and then this is just open. So really nice. Super duper excited for this. $3.99 is a steal, because I believe these wallets, do they go for like 100? Oh my gosh, something like flew into my eyeball. I think they go for like almost 100, if not a little bit over $100, I think. For these, 98 maybe? I don't remember what they currently retail at anymore, but I think the price did go up recently. But they're so nice. Such great wallets. And this one is in such great shape. It just has like a little bit of wear and tear on the like the metal hardware, but honestly you can't even really tell. And once you shine it up a little bit, it's gonna look fantastic. So very excited about that. And then, oh, you know, I actually got something else. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Okay, I'll show you this, and then I'll show you that. Okay, so this one, the brand is Therealreal, S-O-R-I-A-L. It's just a nice, like, it has like these little strings sticking out. You just cut them and then just burn them down, and then they'll be good to go. That's just like the interfacing, like that reinforces the leather of the bag. They usually sandwich it in between 2 pieces of leather. Like sometimes they like start to unravel from the inside a little bit. They start popping out. Just cut them and then just like burn them, and then they'll just go away completely. So such a cool bag. It's like a nice, like very carefree bohemian boho style. So very excited for this. This is my first L'Oreal bag, and the leather is so soft. At first I thought when I saw it that it might have been either like a B. Mikowski or a Kuba or a Botkier, but L'Oreal, that's what it is. So this is gonna go up in the shop once I fix it up. itsHadrian.com, so check it out. This in the wallet. And then, oh, well, this is the last thing that I got, and this is so cool. I have actually been wanting one of these for the longest time. I remember when I was little, and there was this store called the Discovery Store, Discovery Store, and I think I told you about this before. And they have these there, and these they have like oil inside, like the little bubble things, and based on like the temperature, like they'll go up and down, and then you can like gauge what the temperature is with them. So there's like the 80-degree one and the 76-degree one, which is so cool. So like that means like the temperature in the house is about like 76, I think, like around there, because that means it's floating up. But that is so cool, right? And then like all of them have like different colored oils, and it's just so awesome. So I'm very excited about this. These were so expensive too when they had them at the store, and I like always wanted one when I was little, and I was like, oh my gosh, and now is my chance to finally have one. I'm so excited. So this was only $4.99, which I think is a super awesome deal. So I am very, 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 very excited, and this is going to round out today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys had fun. That store is so awesome. It is I think it's the largest store. It might be. Well, in the OC Goodwill region of stores, there's the Goodwill Marketplace again. Like I said, it is where you can buy clothing and items like by the pound. And it's really cool. Like they bring out these giant bins, you just sort through them. It takes time, but you can find some treasures in there. And then they also do have they have like an open auction area where you can actually bid on these like giant crates full of stuff, and you can bid on that stuff, and it's like super cool. You can get like tons of stuff for like super cheap. I think like a lot of resellers do that and purchase those giant bulk items. And then there's also the regular store, which is a large store. It's probably like one of the largest like retail stores in the Orange County region, I think. Yeah, it's really large. And then attached to that is also the tech store. I know I didn't really film too much in there, but there was just like so many people, and I was just like, But they do sell they sell computers, they sell like desktop, laptops, TVs, VCRs, all that stuff, video games. So yeah, really, really cool. But this is the end of the video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you guys have found anything really cool recently as well while thrifting, let me know, because I love hearing about your finds. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications to be notified when I do post a new video. And I do post videos every single day. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Will prevent like further wrinkling, and honestly it doesn't really matter too much. And it's not like super obvious. Plus, like once you get stuff inside of there, it's gonna kind of like, it might even iron itself out in the future. But it does have, if you can, is it showing up on camera? It almost looks like it has like scratches. Okay, so like that is such an easy fix, and that's probably the reason why this was priced so low, is because it has those all over. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so easy to fix it, and I cannot wait to do a handbag rehab